Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change hosting account for my domain. Log into your panel, click on the domains menu item on the sidebar and navigate into your domain group. Once there, find the domain you wish to update and click on the Actions button. Under the Hosting Account section, click on the Modify button. Now, select the hosting account you wish to use and hit the Update button. Before proceeding further, please be aware of the following. Changing the hosting account will forward your domain's traffic to the selected hosting account, but, and this is important, it will not transfer files, folders or databases associated with that domain. So please make sure you set up your domain in the new hosting account, otherwise your website won't work. If you are ready, click on the Change button to finally change the hosting account of your domain. Your domain's traffic will now be forwarded to your new hosting account. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.